What's up YouTube, it's your boy Carpenter Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm finally getting the wheels fixed with the Q50. So this is going to be part one of the video of me dropping it off. You guys going to see the shop and all that. And then part two will be tomorrow when I pick it up and show you guys what it looked like. But I'm going to go ahead and start it and show you guys what the wheels look like now. And then we're going to get on with our day. So let's do a cold start. Loud. So it's starting to rain out here, so I'm gonna just show you guys when I get to the shop of what it looked like before and all that, because I ain't trying to get my camera wet and all that. So be back. All right, y'all, just pulled up to the shop. So I see right here. Now I'm gonna get out and show you guys these wheels. Let me show you what it looked like before. Then I'm gonna drop the keys off and then we're gonna get on with our day. All right, so as you can see, obviously these wheels need paint too, so they will be getting repainted. You see some curb rash on this wheel. And you go back to this one, you got curb rash all over this wheel right here. Look at that. And then you got curb rash right here on this wheel. All down there too. Then you got curb rash over here with little scrapes on the wheel or whatever. Just gonna get all that cleaned and fixed. So yeah, man, Q50 is coming along, man. We just got the window tint not too long ago. Y'all see, fully cured now. So 30% on the windshield and 5% all around. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now the only thing is to do this chrome delete right here, but as soon as I get these wheels fixed and kind of get my vision out there, then now, you know, I could go ahead and start the chrome delete process and order the lowering springs for this car. So it's gonna look a lot better and stuff like that. And the light up Infiniti light, you know, emblem or whatever. So yeah, man, gonna go ahead and get ready to drop it off right here. I believe these guys are called Wheel Guys in Concord. We're gonna see how they do, man. We're gonna see how they do. So the next part of the video is gonna be me picking up the car and showing you guys the finished product. So I'm gonna just go around one more time so you guys can see the before. And like I said, the wheels will be getting fixed with the curb rash and also will be getting painted. So there go one wheel. The other wheel. There go the other wheel. There go the last wheel. So let's see how they do. I'll turn it back on tomorrow. So I actually might stick around and show you guys a little bit of the process before I leave or whatever. Wheels getting fixed and stuff like that. So it's gonna be very interesting.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like whoa, oh, oh, oh. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team. True vest. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. No. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like whoa, oh, oh, oh. It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted, fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bruh. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like whoa, oh, SOS, oh. Please fill my cup.
It's just the first step right here. As you can see, they look a lot better. A lot better. Got them on the front. A lot better. Just gotta get it repainted. And I will be painting my calipers yellow too, so I just gotta get the Infiniti stickers. That's easy. Put them on after.
Look, saint versus sinners, the poor versus riches, top ramen place versus 5-star dinners. Wonder why I fit in, the humblest beginnings. Had to take some losses before I saw my first winnings. Silver line grinning, poverty line thinning. My life is like a movie and the plot just thickened. Came from broken homes trying to break the old traditions. Left my old ways for my future acquisitions. I know, no such thing as playing both sides. I know, life is better in the dope ride. I know, the water better in the low tide. Music better amplified, staying down for upsides. I know, no such thing as playing both sides. I know, the life is better in the dope ride. I know, the water better in the low tide. Music better amplified, staying down for upsides. I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Came up off the ignorance, coming from a family drunk cycle and it's belligerent. Me, I sip a little bit, maybe a little more, just trying to keep a score. 2 cups in and knowing my liver sore, and knowing I'm into soar, and knowing I'm in for more. Rewriting destiny right when I hit record. Patching up the trauma, these lyrics is Neosporin. I rose from the concrete away, but it came with thorns, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
Alright, y'all, it's been a couple of days, and as y'all can see, got the yellow calipers. All the wheels has been cleaned up, no curb rash. I'm gonna go around on all of them so you guys can see the finished product. Look at her. See, it's looking nice, looking clean, looking real clean. As y'all can see, everything has been done. So yellow calipers, got all the wheels fixed, so no curb rash, no nothing, man. Everything looks pretty good. Don't mind this bird poop right here. I'm about to go ahead and get it cleaned up. Well, I'm actually finna go to Mark's house and he's gonna go ahead and detail the whole car and make it look all nice and clean, because y'all can see it's a nice day and I'm outside today. So we outside in the Q50. We outside in the Q50 today. But how does it look, y'all? Does it look pretty good? The yellow calipers, stand back right here so y'all can really see it. I feel like it adds a nice touch to it. Now, I was really close to picking red, but I was like, you know what? I think yellow gonna hit a lot harder. And trust me, my vision is nowhere near done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.